Thursday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience for now 10 minutes of our day. We do it together. Okay, before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Clear the energy, move it around, release some tension, whatever we've got going. Just allow us to just be, just for 10 minutes. All right, join me. Breathe in and out. One more. Breathe in and out. All right. Go ahead and hashtag your mood down below. Let me know how you feel at this present moment. No one's asked you today, how do you feel? I'm asking you, how do you feel? How's your spirit? Answer in the comments below. I am feeling motivated. I'm also feeling really grateful for the people in my life who continue to look to support me, who support my children, and that means a lot to me. So thank you all who are doing this village work. Okay. Say hi, say hello. If you're new to me, welcome. My name's Lisa Puerto. I'm also known as Super Agent. I am an active licensed California real estate professional. I am a public educator, professional agent trainer, creator and founder of many cool things, including a plethora of books, workshops, curriculums, webinars, courses, summits, and now hosting my first conference in Carson, California at their very signature Civic Center, October 26th. That's 2019 Properties Owners EDU Conference. Really stoked about this. This is a conference uniquely designed, one of a kind, just for homeowners, those who are newbies, new homeowners, veteran homeowners, expert homeowners, and those who are set to inherit personal estates. We want you to come out and learn what you may not have been taught or have considered after you got your keys to your home, property, or multifamily, whatever your scenario may be. Come out with like-minded individuals and really get empowered with this information. Visit propertyownersedu.org to learn more. Register. We are offering military and senior discounts. And just so you know, this conference is our first effort to bring awareness to our real estate focused nonprofit, Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation, where we empower, teach real estate literacy, terms and concepts, and careers as an alternate pathway to success for youth ages 11 and up. We are one of a kind and really the first in the country that is real estate focused just for the youth. We're seeking to be our country's boys and girls club of the real estate industry. Okay, with that being said, I am really excited because we are on episode 184 of Shift Your Thinking. That means we are now 16 episodes away from 200, which will complete our series. This show is a bonus series on our feature show, our Ready Set Real Estate, which airs on Wednesdays. Also want to say shout out to our radio podcast listeners, those of you who are listening on iTunes, Stitcher, Breaker, Castbox, and Anchor, and on and on and on. I want to say thank you for your continued support and growing the channel. I want to also thank my family and my friends for supporting my wild ideas. Without you, there is no me. So know that I love you. All right, let's jump into it. I'm going to call this episode Control Yourself. Control yourself. Control yourself. I'm in the section of Dean Del Sesto, where he says, "Other people don't own your emotions, you do. Who controls how you feel, what you let in, and the state of your mind?" Question: wouldn't it be nice to have the ability to be confident when you want, to right size your feelings into a manageable state when you need to, and to reduce stress at will? Feel impossible? Well, it's only a feeling, and even though it may feel impossible, owning your emotions begins by acknowledging who maintains the keys to drive how you feel. If you give others the keys to your emotions, which they have zero right to have, go ahead and type that in the comments. Zero rights to your emotion. He says, then you hand over your feelings for others to play with at will. Unfortunately, no one is ever going to care for your emotions the way you can, and the beginning point of emotional control starts first in the mind. Absolutely, emotional control starts in the mind. It's funny because I just posted a picture of my nails. It was random, but I was actually paying attention and really patting myself on the shoulder for an act of discipline that I have been exercising over the course of my life since I was a child. And this act of discipline was something as simple as no longer biting my nails. I used to bite my nails as a young girl, and I actually admired my aunt who had long, beautiful nails, and I just loved it. I just loved watching Auntie Martha's long nails. I told her this one day. I said, I've always admired that. And one day I chose, right? It started in the mind, self-control, to not bite my nails. I wasn't going to get caught up in the urge. I just told myself not to do it. And same goes with you controlling whether you're going to quote unquote pop off, get fired up, or slipping into these emotions and get emotionally charged over things, peoples, and situations. You have the choice. Choose at which point you respond, not react, respond to it. And I say that because one of the things that I have actively done, intentionally done, I've scheduled moments for me to really be in tune with my feelings. The art of what I do in business usually is high level thinking, negotiation, constant communication, effective communication, being efficient, following up, responding, not reacting. And so throughout my day to day, I have to time out and allow myself to feel things. And so that usually comes with, hey, I'm going to, at this moment, I'm feeling, if I feel angry, if I feel tired, if I feel sad, if I feel like I want to cry, I'm going to time out and allow myself to feel those things. There's a time and a place to do it. All right, let's continue. Let's wrap it up. Almost. We're doing good, y'all. Hang in there. He says the idea of investing in thoughts and working things through before they turn to emotion means we must hold the thought captive for a few moments before it manifests. In fact, the word captive, go ahead and type that down. Type it in the comments. Captive, in its root meaning, comes from keeping something from moving by controlling it with the tip of a spear. Liken that to the thoughts we think, and you can see there's a process to controlling our emotions instead of emoting our way through life. The undisciplined process of feel first, deal second, and contend with the chaos third can be replaced with think first, process second, feel what I want to feel third. Minute by minute, we have a great opportunity to practice the art of self-control through quick bits of contemplation, all the way to small, detailed meditations in all our situations. Each circumstance of your life is an opportunity to learn how to contend with every thought and bring greater control to every emotion. Otherwise, those same circumstances will rule over you. All right. Okay, join me today. Let's think about ways how we can gain more control of our feelings. Doesn't have to be something on a negative. Just identify what you're feeling, which is why I ask the questions now, starting when I open up the show. How do you feel today? This is emotional quotient. This is EQ, allowing you to identify what are you feeling at this present moment. So be in tune with that today. This is about you. Usually we're allowing ourselves to connect with someone else, but today, explore how you feel and how you've been controlling that feeling. All right, that's my time. Love you, love you, love you. Have a powerful and productive day. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue our series of Shift Your Thinking. Bye.